Hi, I'm Corey Adolph, Service Manager with Woods Basement Systems. First of all, I'd like to thank you for being a part of the Woods family and trusting us with some sort of home repair, whether it be basement or crawl space, waterproofing, foundation support, wall failure. Thank you for letting us into your homes. What I wanted to talk to you about today is our annual maintenance program. And we love our annual maintenance program. Our service technicians take it very seriously to care for your home and having that continual relationship with our company over the years. We love to be able to get back into your home and make sure that everything you've invested in is still working exactly as intended. So what you see here is our basement waterproofing system, our triple safe. And an annual maintenance inspection generally takes about an hour and a half. And what we have is we have about a 52-point inspection that we perform on your sump system, your battery backup, and really anything and everything that goes on in your home and in your basement, just to make sure that everything's working as intended. And we want to see if we can find any problems before they find you. So we really appreciate you letting us out and take a look at this for you. Don't forget crawl spaces as well. This is the crawl space model, and this actually can take a battery backup as well. So doing a full inspection, it's a few less points than 51 in the crawl space. But we love to be able to make sure that in a time when you need this system to work, the heart of the waterproofing system, that it's working perfectly. So our technicians are in about 500 homes a year and know these systems inside and out. We'd love to be able to come to your home and give you a full report on how your system is performing. So again, thank you so much. We appreciate it. Oh, one more thing. If you know anybody who has a wood system, or even if they don't have a wood system, but they have a sump pump or crawl space encapsulation, we would love to be able to come out, give them a full report, and be able to welcome them into the Woods family as well. We love referrals.